everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. This is a 2012 Elite 3-horse, 7-wide, 8-foot short wall, 7 tall, all aluminum living quarters. It is black in color. It does have a stainless nose. It does have lockable battery box, 2 propane tanks, hydraulic jack, spare tire. It does have an escape door with drop windows on all 3 horse slots. It does have a hay rack with a ladder. You'll see it does have a gas tank, I guess opening where you can put in gas. The generator is no longer on this trailer. It was on the roof, so generator is no longer on this trailer. Has a rear collapsible tack. You'll see the tank in the back, and you'll see the wiring harness, and it does have the OnStart generator wiring harness in the inside. So if you ever wanted to put a generator on this one, you've got most everything that you need. So I'm going to point out a couple of things about it. So the rubber on this back door down at the bottom is a little torn. Mats, the back mat is torn. Just full disclosure, back mat is torn. All in all, the horse box is good. Roof vents. It has the back drop windows, butt drop windows. I will point out this first stall. Evidently, we had a horse that was a little bit unruly. So the mat or the rubber is torn there at the top. It's got some scratches, teeth marks, I would assume here. There is no screen in this window anymore. So full disclosure, first stall has had some horse damage. The rubber has a brown look to it. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It will not come clean. So it's just a brown hue to the matting. That's the rubber that's, there on the wall. The wall is insulated, but the roof is not. So wall is insulated, roof is not. You can kind of see that mat there. A couple of dents here in this rear tack. They're not causing any issues, but just wanted to point those out. This is a 23-foot box, so it's a really good size, 23-foot box. It is 7 wide, 7 tall. So what I'm going to say about the black sheeting, it's in great shape considering it is black. There's a couple of dents and a couple of places on this side. Let me kind of zoom in to kind of show you. There's some teeth marks here, a dent here. I'm going to back off again. Super hard to show you guys that. It doesn't look awful, but wanted to point that out. You can see the hay rack there. You can see the drop windows. Fold up step here at the living quarters door. The actual door to the trailer has got some like white flakes. So at a distance, you can't really see it as bad, but I wanted to point that out. I mean, it's again, it's just what I do. All right, as a camper door. Soft touch on the door. Let me go to expanded. So this is the couch, folds out to a bed version. Sorry about that, guys. It does have AC with a propane furnace. It's got all real wood cabinetry in here. Soft touch ceiling and walls. Has a place for a TV. It doesn't have a TV, but it has a place for a TV. Here on this wall. Cabinet up in the nose. Okay, I'm gonna spin around. Microwave. Glass two burner top stove. Sink, small fridge there below. Cabinets above here. So bathroom is here, a shower, squared off shower. Cabinet and hot water heater cabinet, as well as storage space there. Walk through door. Sink and vanity. And it does have a pocket door. So I'm going to recap while I'm inside because the pressure washer is going outside. 2012 Elite. 7 wide, 7 tall. All aluminum, black sheeting. This trailer is a 23-foot box, which makes it a really good size. Manageable. Soft touch walls inside on the wall and the ceiling. All right, I'm gonna step out. That couch does fold to a bed, which I'm sure I said that. I will note this trailer has no awning. So one thing just to point out, this trailer has no awning. See if I can show you kind of this side a little bit better. Good looking trailer. 2012 Elite. All right, guys, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We do not put pricing on our YouTube. You're welcome to reach out to me at 828-773-4500. Please like our YouTube page. We would greatly appreciate it. Have a great day.